Okay guys, so we just got here at our hotel. We have not been in our room yet. We're just got our luggage off the room and we're about to go up. Just got the key. This is the key here. They say if you lose the key, which my boyfriend always loses the key, it's $50 to replace it. Like, oh my god, that's so expensive for a hotel key. And look how small it is. But yeah, we about to go up, y'all. About to see. I'm excited. We're at Tulum. Welcome to Tulum. This is our Tulum Room Tour. So when you first walk into our room, which is outside still, there's a sink over here. I don't know what for, and counter space, I guess if you were cooking or eating or whatever. There's some patio chairs where you can sit out. And you can, the view is of the resort. And the pool's right here in this area. Oh, there's people in the room. Okay, and then look at this, y'all. Look at this. Oh, we got another hot tub, y'all. Our own hot tub in our room. You know, we come in individual pools from now on. We got our own hot tub in our room. And then we'll take you to the room. So this is our door. I mean, this is the room side, the door to our room. So when you first walk in, you got the safe and some storage space, some drawers and stuff. We just got here, so our stuff's not up. It's like messy, don't mind it. Couple hangers to hang your stuff up. I think that's more storage space, but I can't reach that, so I won't be using it. A little teapot, which is super cute, and a little mini fridge, which is empty. We're about to fill it up. And then you got the window. That's just a bunch of trees. The jungle is your view. Okay. And then we got this cute, like, get into the vibes, y'all. These is like, you know, this is real Tulum vibes, okay? Our nice bed. We're gonna go to the bathroom. Get into it. Like, isn't it so cute? It's just so cute. I love the Tulum vibes. Like, this is what I live for. And we have a shower right here. And then we have a outside shower. We have a little TV area, but I'm down to watch my TV. And you come out and open this door. And we have another nice sitting area where we can eat. It smells so good out here. It's like they burn in wood, and they also got these like steamers or whatever for the mosquitoes. The mosquitoes bad, y'all. So we came with off lotion, off spray. We got all the off, okay? But yeah, it's just like jungle vibes, y'all. And that is it. That is the end of our room tour in Tulum. Okay, y'all, so we just came up here to the pool. It's nighttime. I'm gonna show y'all in the daytime. Y'all know that. Y'all know that. Look, I think that's our room right there. I think. Look at the pool though. Like, can you feel the vibes? Because I can feel the vibes for sure. I can't wait to the daytime. Give me a nice flick. I don't know what that's for. But they got this little bathroom area or whatever. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. I'm loving it. I'm for sure gonna show y'all in the daytime now. Hi guys, coming to you live from Tulum. Okay. I am so excited. Like, I really am on 100 right now because literally, I'm sorry that it's dark, y'all can't see me, but I'm literally like on 100 right now because first of all, I have been wanting to come to Tulum for so long, you know what I mean? And I feel like since the last time, a little bit before the last time I came to Cancun, which was 2019, we're now in 2021, okay? I've been wanting to come to Tulum. So I'm just so excited that I'm here. You know, you gotta work towards it, you gotta put it out in the atmosphere, speak it into existence, pray for it, pray on it, okay? And then, you know, I could have definitely came before, but it's just like, you know, it'd be like people. I do not like planning trips with people. I don't. Believe it or not, I do not. Because you know what? It's always a problem. So with my boyfriend, it's just easy peasy. He don't care. I plan it and he show up. Literally. Because that's like, you know, he don't ask some questions. It's no problem. Whenever you plan a group trip, it's always a problem. And I just don't like it. I'd rather not. So I stay away from those. So that's why I have not been to Tulum sooner. And also, I just need travel friends. Like, all my friends just don't travel. I mean, I'm not gonna say they don't travel, but yeah, I need travel friends. So, but yeah, I'm excited, y'all. This is our first night in Tulum. We are going to Rosa Negra tonight for dinner. I'm pretty excited because if you've ever looked into Tulum at all, then you probably have heard of Rosa Negra. So I'm excited. I don't know what I'm getting, so that's at first. You know, when I make reservations at a place, y'all know I know what I'm gonna eat. I don't know what I'm getting, so we're gonna see. But I just love this hotel, y'all. We're at Copo in Tulum. And it's just like the vibes are everything, okay? The vibes are everything. I'm telling y'all. I'm sitting here by the infinity pool. We literally just got here like 2 hours ago. So I'm not even getting in the water. I just came because my boyfriend wanted to get in the pool. We actually have a private pool in our room. I just did the room tour, y'all. I know y'all saw that. But yeah, I'm geeked, y'all. Excuse me, because I really am geeked. I'm happy. I'm like so happy. Like, I've been wanting to come here for so long, you know, so I finally made it happen, you know what I mean? But yeah, we got some fun stuff planned for tomorrow, guys, so I'm excited about that. We're gonna do a little ATV, a little zip lining or whatever. I don't think I've been zip lining since I did that cabin trip in Tennessee. What's that part of Tennessee? Pigeon Forge, yeah. I don't think I've been zip lining since we went on that cabin trip in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. So I'm excited. But I'm about to okay, but for real, I'm about to stop playing. But y'all, I'm so excited. It's like, I feel like driving up to the hotel definitely doesn't look like what I thought it was gonna look like, but the hotel looks exactly how I thought it was gonna look like. When you drive up, you get a little nervous, like hold on, and it don't look bad. It's just a bunch of, it's like really ducked off. It's really like trees, all that, you know. So, but it is very nice and I love it. I'm definitely gonna have to show y'all the hotel tomorrow during daytime. There's 2 restaurants here, and I believe she said 2 restaurants. She said a Mexican and a Japanese, but when I looked into this hotel, I saw another restaurant that served breakfast, so I gotta look into that and see. Maybe that's one of them, I don't know, so we'll see. But yeah, in the morning we're gonna get into the hotel vibes, y'all. But I'm excited. I'm so excited to enjoy Tulum for the rest of the week, and I'm excited to bring y'all along with me. So stay tuned, y'all, because we at it and we in Tulum. Hello, we're in Tulum. If y'all didn't know, now y'all know. We in Tulum and we are having fun, okay?